In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open conversation in Files Grok 2026, step by step. Let's get started by heading to grok.com in your browser. Once you're on the site, you'll see the main workspace. The navigation you need lives on the left side of the screen, so keep your focus there as we move through the process. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Grok updates the interface from time to time, but the options we need are typically in the same area. On the left sidebar, look toward the very bottom. You should see your profile icon. This might be a photo, your initials, or a generic avatar depending on your account. That profile area is where Grok tucks away important workspace and content controls, including access to your files. Click your profile icon to open its menu. A panel will appear with several options related to your account and content. From here, choose Files. This takes you into the file space where your documents, uploads, and generated content are organized. Think of this as the library for everything you'll want to reference or improve with Grok. Inside the Files view, look for the option labeled Open Conversation. Click Open Conversation to launch a chat that's specifically designed to interact with your files. This opens a conversational pane where Grok can use the selected document as context, so your prompts and the AI's responses stay focused on the material that matters. Next, find the file you want to open a conversation about. You can browse your list or use search and filters if you have a lot of documents. When you select the file, Grok links it to the conversation so your prompts can directly reference its contents. Now you can start a new prompt for your file, place your cursor in the message box, and clearly state what you want. For example, you might ask for a summary, a list of key takeaways, an outline, or a rewritten section in a different tone. The clearer your instruction, the better the result. Mention sections or headings if that helps, and specify the desired format like bullet points or a short paragraph. Use the conversation to enhance your file or add details. If you're enhancing, ask for improvements to clarity, structure, or tone, or request suggestions to tighten long paragraphs. If you're adding details, prompt Grok to expand a section with more examples, definitions, or data points, and set any constraints such as length or style. Iterate with follow-up prompts to refine the output until it matches your intent. And that's it. By opening a conversation in Files, you can quickly analyze, improve, and enrich your documents with focused, context-aware prompts.